You are welcome back. Let's start this session by introducing ourselves to the local studio. And at the end of today's session, we should be able to. Oh, hello. So we are back, but this time around we want to introduce ourselves to local studio to be able to build our first dashboard. So make sure that I've already shown you what a dashboard looks like, and then you also need to maybe I can get okay, no problem, don't worry. So no problem. So I showed you this is a typical dashboard, but the dashboard is created using the local studio. So, and this is the local studio environment. Can you show it on the screen? So, this is the local studio environment. Wow. I hope. Huh? Am I not sharing? Huh? I'm not sharing. Oh, let me start sharing. Sorry for that. So this is the local studio environment. But for you to start, let's first of all, before you start, let's go through field. Let's have some background about the local studio. So if they say what is a local studio, one is a tool. It's a tool for data visualization. What did I call it? A tool for data visualization. It's free. You don't need to pay for it. And it's web-based. In other words, it's available on the web, the internet. So, and it's an interactive dashboard, platform. And you can use it also to create reports. For most of you who may find job in business organizations. If you have evidence, if you can show that you are skillful, that you can use this tool, you can showcase your, in fact, they may ask if you have ever built any dashboard before, and you can showcase the dashboard that you have created. That's what we call portfolio. You can be sure that you will have an edge over other applicants when it comes to employment. So you can turn your data into interactive dashboards and reports, which can help the organization if they are interested. You might also use it for different kinds of visualizations. There are so many of them which you are going to learn. As you can see, which I will still show you later, you can have different charts, from table to scorecard to time series to bar chart to pie chart to Google Maps to geo chart to line chart to area chart to all of this. So these are very, very, you have wide range of options to visualize your data on this platform. The platform, the local studio, as I told you earlier, formerly it was called the Google Data Studio, but now it's known as local studio. There are stories behind that, but we don't really need that as such. So why are we interested in local studio? Why do we prefer, at least for now, to make it one of our visualization tools? It's free, no cost for you to use it, and it's online. We've talked about that. So anywhere you are in the car, you are airborne, you are in the train, you are at home, anywhere, as long as you have access to internet, you can just keep working. And the good thing is that you can connect easily to other spreadsheets, particularly Google Sheets. You can also connect to Excel, and it's easy to share. You can share your report the way I share my own report on car owners with you. You can, if you build your own, you can share it with any other, with your friends, with your, even with your boss, if you are working in an organization. So it's user friendly. So you only need to drag and drop the way it is designed. So particularly beginners like you will find it very, very user friendly. So we want to get started now. The first step is to open your web browser. So go to your web browser now. We are not going to wait for anybody. You have to make sure that you join us. So go to your web browser. This is the web browser. Are you there? So when you are there, then you can search for Local Studio. Just type Local Studio in the web browser. Type Local Studio. So I type, let me make this thing a bit, let me zoom it. So I can type Local Studio. Have you done that? Yes. Are you able to see the search options? Then click Local Studio. Click Local Studio. I don't know what it brings out in your own. Right. So it's bringing this in my own because I've already signed in. What's it bringing in your own? Let me know what's bringing in your own. Okay, so click Local Studio. Yes. Make sure you respond so that I can go. Some people are behind. I won't wait for you because time. If you are not here fully. Yes, what can you see? What can you see? Quickly. Yes, after you have clicked. Blank report. Okay. So that's good. This is what it's because you have a Gmail account, right? Most of you, do you have Gmail account? Is this guy? Yes, this is what I expect you to see. That one. Yeah. This is what you see. Click this one. You are not open your own. Yeah. So if you are there, everybody, then you will see open, you will see recent. Do you have recent in your own? You will see reports, data sources, explorer. Is that okay? Good. And then on the left flank, what can you see? Recent, create. You see create. If you click create, the three options will also come. The same menu that you have. They are recent. You see, report, data source, explorer, right? Then you also have recent, share with me, owned by me, and then trash, template, enterprise, admin. Great. So we are not going to belabor ourselves so much, but with time, we will get to master the environment. So after you have done that, if you need to sign in with your Google account, you do that. I think most of you succeed because you already have a Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account, you won't be able to sign in. Is anybody still having challenges to get to that point? No? Good. So now that you are in your Local Studio homepage, You have seen the reports. You have also seen, that reports that you see. That's where your dashboard, comes live. That's where your dashboard comes live. Then data sources, that's where you connect your data to files. We are still going to use that. And then you have templates, that's where you utilize pre-designed reports that you can also just use for your own, you can adopt. And then where you have plus create button, then that allows you to start new report or data sources fresh. So that's the stuff that you see here. So you can create your own report by just clicking but before you click, I'm going to share something with you. The data that you submitted, remember I asked you to submit. Are you here? Remember I asked you to submit this form. Let's look at the form. Look at the form. This is the summary. I can see Abiodun's submission. Who is this? Dorcas, you submitted twice, interestingly. It's your phone. So you submitted, there are two Dorcases here now. That's the implication now. So, there are, in this, among those who submitted, what percentage constitute female? 40, there are 4 females. Actually, it should be 3. You won't see it because, but you want to, yeah. So the way you will see it, you will see the data now, which is what I want to share with everybody. Is that okay? So I'm going to create. I want everybody to be able to see the data because we will need it to create our own dashboard. We will need it to create our own dashboard. But meanwhile, like Dorcas made 2 submissions, so I'm going to delete one of them. I'm going to delete one of the submissions from Dorcas. So number 10 was submitted by Kanyinsola Abiodun Obanijesu Toluwanimi Josiah Ahmad Olumide Olasupo, then Dorcas. So I'll delete one of them. So we have 9 submissions actually. I hope it will reflect it. So now I will share the link with you. Google Sheet link I'm going to share with you. But don't tamper with it. So check the link on our WhatsApp group. Are you on the WhatsApp group? It's still loading. If you don't do what I'm doing, you won't be able to follow because this is the data we want to use. Somebody is also trying to join. Who is that person? You can admit the person. Okay. Have you seen it? So try to. Now, once you have connection, you will easily see, I can see that somebody has joined. That person is Giraffe. Another person has joined now, Panda. And so, so who else? So, Mr. Layo, mute yourself to avoid. Okay, great, thank you. So let's go back. By now, you should have access to the data if you have clicked that link. The moment you click that link, the Google Sheet will be added to your own. The Google link will be added to your Google Drive. So that will help you to have access to the data. So let's now go back to the Looker Studio. Everybody go back to the Looker Studio that you just opened. Are you there, everybody? Go back to the Looker Studio that you just opened and then click blank report. Click blank report. Click blank report. Have you done that? Have you clicked blank report? Okay, great. I'm coming. What do you see? You should see something like this. Huh? You will see add data to report. What can you see? Okay, because you are the first user, enter your basic information. What information is it requested? Okay, answer whatever query you are. Look for your country, company, put your own company if you have one. What is your own? Then remember to check the box that you are in. Excellent. You're on the same page. Great, we are now on the same page. I will go is getting it. Who is not on the same page with me? Yes. Dorcas, are you there now? Josiah, Sola, that's good. So, you now want to connect. You want to connect this data to the local studio. The data that we submitted in Google Sheets. You now want to connect it to where? To local studio. So let's go back to that place. And because the data is in Google Sheets, you can connect from different places. You can connect from local itself. You can connect from Google Analytics. You can connect from Google Ads. You can connect from Google Sheets. You can connect from BigQuery. All these are databases. You can even upload from a file. You can connect from Microsoft Excel, from Amazon, from Apigee, and so on like that. Which one will I click now, everybody? Where am I connecting from? Google Sheet. So I will click Google Sheet. Click Google Sheet, everybody. Right? Now, on the left-hand side, you will see all items, right? What's the name of the one we want to connect with? Data Analytic Workshop. You can just search for it. Type Data Analytics. Well, are you able to see it in your own? You are able to see it. If you don't see it, go to Home by Me. That is the one that you created yourself. Share with Me. That is the one that is shared with you. So let me share this with myself, because I'm using. So I'm going to share it now with, so that I can also see it. Great. So let me go back and see all items. Owned by Me, share with me. Well, maybe I need to restart this part. Who is lost? Who is lost? Which screen? Huh? System screen is small, and it's not showing the down part. I'm coming. After that, yes, who has stayed outside? Yes, I'm coming. Did you click on account center? After you click on next one, what happened? Is it bringing back? Blank report, and it's still not. It doesn't give up like that. What's the problem? Who is stopping? Yeah, so it will make this. You can just select yes to call. Huh? So like is it black? Yes. Are you the one that will do the let me right.
Okay, you need the bracket.
Who is having problem?
Okay, you're almost to same exam. Now you're to.
You can scroll. Is it so look for yes, yes. Are you there now? Are you there now? So you can scroll down to see others. Able to see Google Sheet. Quickly, to save time. You are not there yet. If you have seen the data analytics, you can now actually see it. Excellent. So select it. Select it.
Okay, we should click on the Google Sheet.
So once you are there, select Google Sheet, and then you should be able to see the data you are looking for, data analytics. Are you able to see it? I still don't know why.
I want to click on the data analysis. I want to click on the data analysis.
Yes, click on the data analytics. That's the data you want to use. So, data analytics. Are you there, everybody? Can you solar? You are still struggling. Now, the data you want to use, look at the data. Look at the data. Look at the data. Here at the bottom, can you see the bottom? That's where you have the sheet that you want to select. So here is asking you which the worksheet you want to select. What is the name of that worksheet? That's where you have form responses 1, right? So you select that one, form responses, which has been selected automatically. Now there are options here. Now the first option is if the first row can be used as the header, which means in the data The first row is this. That's where you have the timestamp, the name, the gender, the highest academic qualification, and all of that. That's where you have the header. So we can use that as we can use the row as headers. We will check that. If we want to include hidden and filter cells, we can also check that. If we want to only limit to specific range, maybe we don't want to use all the data, then we can check to select what range we want to use. But don't worry, don't check that one for now. Are you okay? Great. So after you have done that, click Add at the bottom right. You will see the Add button. Click Add. What's the problem? Click Add. So the moment you click Add, you will see have you clicked Add?
Yes, sir.
What can you see? Do you have the same thing? You are not showing my screen again. Joseph, you are not showing the screen again. It's like it's not moving. It's not moving. I've left that place now. Yes, but that's not what is true. That's not what is true. So, okay. Now you are good to go, and you can easily start creating your chart now. Now on that page, you will see the data on the right hand side. Can you see the data on the right hand side? And you can see all the column headings. How will you like to know? So when you see anyone with ABC, ABC means the column is text, not number. When you see 1, 2, 3, can you see anyone with 1, 2, 3? That is record count. That means that column is, even though that record count is default, is generated automatically. So what other icon can you see? Calendar, exactly. That is telling you that wherever you see that calendar icon, the column is date. Is that okay now? Good. You will see year of birth is captured as what? As date. Timestamp is also captured as date. How is gender captured? ABC, which is what? Text. It's either male or female. It's not number. Is that okay? There are other ones which are not here, but we don't need to worry ourselves. So we want to build the first chart now. So what we will do is all about now selecting something, and then selecting, clicking, and choosing anything as we may want to, depending on what we want to do. So, but before we do that, if you look at the interface, you will see the first thing on the top left-hand side is Untitled Report. Can you see the Untitled Report? Can you give this, what title will you want to give your own report? What title do you want to give your own report? I can call it My First Report. I will delete Untitled and call it My First Report. If this is your second, you can also name it My Second Report. Did you get it? You can even give it your own name. Olumide, Olumide's report. Or report Olumide. Kanyisola report. Jesu what? Obani Jesu report. Josiah report. Dorcas report. So you can name that. Below the report, what do you see as just like any application? What can you see? The menu, right? File. So we won't be able to go through all of that. Maybe with time, you can also explore that. After that, what can you see? Some icons, isn't it? Yes. Undo icon, redo icon, print icon. I mean, you don't have print icon. Add page icon, add data icon, blend icon, add charts. Click the add charts. The drop down, look at the drop down. Look at the drop down. What are the different types of charts that you can see? What's the first one? Table, right? Scorecards. Time series. Bar. Pie. Geochart. Line. Area. Scatter. Pivot. Bullet and all of that. Clap for yourself. So everybody seems to be following. There are other icons, which you can use. So the next place you see is there is icon like what do you call it? You used to something like what do you call it? Funnel, yes. You see that icon like funnel? No. But we use it to filter, but we will not again. No. After that, you can see a white space. Can you see a white space? Yes. That's the main area where you build your report. That white space, that rectangular white space is called canvas. Say it, everybody. Canvas. That rectangular space that you see is called canvas. That's where you build your report. No, sir. Yes, sir. It's like not a lot. But the leg, no, that going. Let's see. Now, what else can you see? We have to move fast because of light. What else can you see after the whiteboard? You will see about 3 other panels to your left-hand side, right-hand side. Huh? There is a place you see, let's get started, isn't it? Good. You will soon see what will come up there. When we start building the chart, something will appear there, right? That's a panel. Then after that, you have the data, isn't it? Good. And then the last part, you have icon for data, for properties, and for filter bar. Excellent. So let's start the first thing. Let's even say we want to see the gender distribution of those who submitted these responses. First of all, we can even choose a table. So go to add a chart, everybody. Go to add a chart. Are you there? Click it, then drag it to anywhere you want in the any area you want in the canvas. So it's all about dragging now, selecting and dragging. Just pick the first table, yes, the first table, and drag it to any part. Okay, are you generating now? Yes. Ah, great. So let's connect this. Have you seen anything coming up? Yes, sir. It comes up just by default, right? Exactly. By default. But that will not be what you want actually. So you now need that panel where you see get started before. Yes, sir. What has happened to you? You now have the table properties appearing there. You now have the table properties, right? So that's where we will now be making changes to that default table appear, right? So no, there. Okay. So you can expand that table if you so wish. Just put your cursor to any corner and then drag the table. You can expand it, you can collapse it. You can expand it, you can collapse it. In your own, it automatically brings out what default, what is in your first column. Name, surname, right? And then what follows? Record cards. So, how beautiful it is now. Interesting. So, in the suit, you can see how many times did Dorcas submitted. How many Dorcas? Two, we can see record card of Dorcas in this submission. And she's the only one with two. So, if you are going to punish anyone with double cards, then she is supposed to suffer seriously. If you are also going to reward anybody with more cards, then she gets all the ones and every other person, right? So, let's put that aside. Let's put that aside. Let's put that aside. Let's go back. Let's go back to the add chart again. Add chart again. Add chart. Have you clicked it? Select select bar chart. Select bar chart and put it somewhere below or anywhere in the canvas. Make sure you you allow for spaces. You are building story. Right, good, good. But this time, the bar we want to show is something different because it's showing us the bar for names, right? You can see using bars for the names. But that's not that's not what we want. So come to where you have the bar chart properties on the right hand side. Can you see where you have the bar chart properties? Yes, look at the screen, this side. Then look at setup. Under the setup, you will see the data you are using. You will also see dimension. Anytime you see dimension, you can only choose those headings that are ABC. Did you hear me? Under dimension, you can only choose what? ABC. Eh? Apart from dimension, what can you also see? You can see metric, isn't it? Under metric, what can you choose? You can only choose those ones 1, 2, 3. So for dimension, we want to choose, instead of name, let's choose month, no. Let's choose, yes, how will you like to participate? Let's see. As soon as you select that, that changes the table. That changes the table. Can you see? If I zoom my... Can you see? Good. Now, you can also create another one. Let's look at gender. So go back to add a chart. Add a chart. Let's use pie chart. And let's put it here. So we can change this now to gender. Sorry. Go to dimension, change it to gender. Now you have gender. You can also ensure that this one is right. If you are able to do all this stuff for yourself, you are doing, this is what we call building what? A dashboard. I don't want to put too many things on you today. Let's go for the last thing now. If you want to tell story, how people would love to participate. We have done that. We have only 3 categories here. So we can add another one. So add a chart. Add a chart. What kind of chart do we want to have? So we can select let's say we want to know, yes, we want to use, we want the month of birth, the most popular month of birth of the participant. So we can come here to choose month of birth. Okay, so we have here those the months. We can see the months here. If you put your cursor here, you can also expand or collapse to see that most of us here are born in April and March. Most of us are born in April and March. No, only one person each born in January, February, March. And nobody here is even born in February. Nobody is born in October. Which other month is missing here? That no one is born. So most of the participants are born, and none of the participants is born in October. No one also is born in which month? Is anybody born in September here? No. In September. You really submit September. We have one record. Okay, yeah. February. Yeah, September is there. November also is there. Huh? Yes, sir. Good. So, that is what you have just done is the simplest dashboard that you can ever do. Is that okay? Yes, sir. Simplest dashboard that you create. So, that might be your first dashboard. So, congratulate yourself. Now, you can begin to do a lot of things about this dashboard, but because of our time, we won't be able to go beyond the subsequent workshop. We will be able to do more. But before you go, you are going to see how you can share your dashboard now. Let's say you want to share your dashboard, right? Go to where you have share. But before that, go to where you have share. Click it, and then go down to where you have restricted and select public if you want to share it with the public. Then, if you want the public to be able to view it, and you don't want them to edit it, because if you give them the permission to edit, they will you have invite people under the interface. So as a click, okay, you are Are you there, everybody? Right? Are you there? Nobody is responding. Yes. Okay, so do you want to give public permission to edit your stuff? Do you want to give public? If you give public to edit, tomorrow morning you will see something different from what you want. So you can only give people permission to do what? To view, and not have access to editing. So if you click view, then copy link, Then share your own link on our WhatsApp group now. Go to WhatsApp and paste your link. Go to our WhatsApp page and paste your link. Yes. Yes. You are lost. Eh? Yes. The view is there. Don't worry, just for now, restricted. Then select public. Select public and click the copy link. Uh-huh. Yes, they can only view, they cannot edit. So copy and paste your link on the, yes, copy and paste your link. Copy and paste your link on the WhatsApp group. Copy and paste your link on the WhatsApp group. If you don't want to share the link, you can save. Of course, you can save. So click save. And then if you now click share, and then you copy, let me see, and then nobody has pasted this own link. Nobody has pasted his own link. So you can see my own now. You can see my own. I cannot, you should be able to show I can see your link, but it's not showing it's showing now. Okay, so that's good. That's good. Everybody must be able to do this. If you have done this, then you have done well for today. Now let's go back to that place. You can also download what you have done. If you want to download, you will see where you have the arrow that beside the share. Yeah. So download report, right? Download report. You can download the report. Ignore custom background color if you like. Add link back to the report. You can do that. You can password, whichever. So download your report, everybody. Download your report and put it in our group. Yes. So you will see the download in your download folder. Yes. So it's already in my download. It's in my download. My first report has been downloaded. Copy it and paste it. Copy it and paste it in our. Copy and paste in our. Yes. Copy and paste in our. Yes. Tolu has done her own, that's good. Toyinsola, I can see you performing. You are performing. You are a great performer. Yes. So, this is my own first report. This is my own first report. Finally, before I leave you, you want now to, you can change the view from edit view to just view. You can see where you have view, everybody. Can you see view? Click it. If you click that view, you can even make this thing, you can present it as if you are making PowerPoint presentation. You can convert to PowerPoint presentation. You are not following me. Okay. So since everybody seems to be busy, can you convert to power? Good. So this thing now becomes a PowerPoint. If you click three arrow there, you have three arrow there. Go to present. If you click present, then this thing becomes like a PowerPoint presentation. Where you have, except change this to click this view, so it will be ready, then go to, and then present. Click this view, then go to that present. So you can make, we have done this now to PowerPoint presentation. Is that okay? You are not there. Okay. So this is, if you want to do more, let's go back. If you want to leave that PowerPoint, just press escape on your keyboard. Press escape, and then it will take you back. And then you can go back. If you click edit, that will take you back to where you were before. So this will be the best place for us to stop today. Is that okay? Yes. Not to stop, Tolu will quickly share a few things with you. Tolu will share some things with you, and then that will be the end of our workshop today. Have you learned anything?
Yes, sir.
Great. So thank you very much for coming, and make sure you practice more and more. Now that you are familiar with the environment, try your hands on many things. So that's a good place to call it a day. So I can stop sharing now. Tolu, you can now share your screen. You can present from, come here. So she's going to also introduce us to Power BI very quickly. Huh? Did you join the, no, connect with yes, it's better you use, don't use this edge. Just copy. Huh? Can you do it from here? I have. If you just come here, select Power BI. This is it. Huh?
Yes,
I should open it.
yes. So that I will just show them.
No, they don't know. You have to tell them how to download, to install. But let me open it. If they are done. So let me stop.
Let me send you.
The power.
I think I'll send them this night.
You send it to me. So this is it. But so but it will have been nice to use your system because of what I've
I
done
have
before.
a lot.
But no problem. Use it. Edge is
But
also
I
no,
need to
no. You don't even need to use Edge. Don't know.
because I want to also
Is your battery okay? You better have.
let me